Hello viewers. No, I haven't done a fire alarm video in a very long time. It's probably because of a combination of, recently my patent is just approved, so I've been trying to sell it so I can build a house to get out of this renting. And second, I haven't really been doing any electrical work in the field. I do prefer the field work though, but so I haven't really got any more alarms. And I haven't hooked up these 24-volt simplex alarms yet. All the power supplies I've seen from China, even the ones I've used, generate a pretty good spike when they're turned on or loads are put on them. So I don't want to destroy them. Other than that, nothing really has changed. The system is basically the same as it was last time. Hasn't gone into any trouble, or not even a false alarm, which I've probably jinxed myself because I've left this on and gone on vacation. It's never gone off. Now it's going to happen, but just do another system test before another storm there rolls in. This pull station here, which is actually behind all the transformers, which is not too effective, and capacitor. The floor here is probably going to give way soon. Disable. And reset. Now for the smoke detector. I had to get a ladder. Let's see if I can do this without breaking my neck. And that's about it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Since I haven't done one in a while, I guess I'll do a treat and do one without the system hooked up, so it's just on battery power now. Still going to be in trouble because it's not plugged in. But catch you in the next video.